Hello everyone, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, we will be making a classic and irresistible cheesecake, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. Cheesecake is a sweet dessert, made with a soft fresh cheese, eggs, and sugar. It may have a crust or base made from crushed cookies, graham crackers, pastry, or sometimes sponge cake. Cheesecakes are one of my all-time favorite desserts, and I'm excited to share my go-to recipe with you. Now, let's talk about this incredible cheesecake. And here are the ingredients. 2 cups almond flour, 100 grams salted butter. You can also use unsalted butter. This is a low-carb dessert, so we will use a low-carb sweetener. I use pure erythritol sweetener. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, whipping cream, or you can use Nestle cream. 6 tablespoon low-carb sweetener, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 pack of gelatine, 225 grams cream cheese. Set a pan over medium heat, combine the almond flour, butter, and sweetener, mix until the crumbs are evenly moistened. With the cheesecake crust, I prefer to toast the almond flour. Majority of the people who make no-bake cheesecake do not toast it anymore. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix until they are well combined. I want my cheesecake crust to look brownish. And it is now ready to put in a springform pan. I use a 6-inch non-stick springform pan with a removable bottom. Carefully pour in the crust mixture in the springform pan, but you can use any container that is available in your home. Press the mixture into the bottom of springform pan, creating a firm and even crust. Let it cool, and then place the pan in the refrigerator to chill while you prepare the filling. Pour enough cool water in a glass, add the gelatin, and then mix it well. Set it aside, and we will use this later on. In a separate mixing bowl, mix the softened cream cheese and whipping cream until smooth and creamy. Pour in the sweetener. Pour in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Continue mixing until smooth. This is the gelatin I mixed earlier. This time pour enough hot water, mix it well, and let it cool. Add the gelatin mixture and continue mixing until it is well combined. This is the desired consistency that we are looking for. The mixture should be creamy and smooth. Pour the filling mixture into the prepared crust. Use a spatula to smooth the top and ensure it's evenly spread. Cover with plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for at least 3 hours or overnight. Top the cheesecake with toppings of your choice or serve it as it is. I used canned blueberry as topping in this recipe. Remove the springform pan by a running thin-bladed knife around the edge to loosen the crust from the sides of the pan. Open the clamp and expand the sides of the pan and release the bottom. Look how beautiful the cheesecake is. You can leave the cheesecake on the removable bottom or transfer it to a serving plate. By following these tips and techniques, you increase your chances of obtaining a beautiful, firm, and crack-free cheesecake. Happy baking, and enjoy your stunning creation. Thank you once again for being here. I'll see you soon in the kitchen. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Ready to explore the world together? Let's dive right in.